Another hot topic in crystal healing, crystals for protection. If you think you need it, you certainly do, and I'll recommend my top 3 in this video. Hi, this is Eliana from Everyday Crystal Magic, where we teach how to use crystals to bring magic to our day-to-day lives. If you like this video or learn something new, please like and share. So the first thing that comes to mind when thinking about crystals for protection is number 1, why do you need protection? And number 2, and hint here, what are your fears? What are you protecting? So we have 2 ways to look at this. If you believe in law of attraction and that we create our own reality, then the solution will be let's not create something we need protection from. Let's not create threats or dangers, right? Or just terminate these threats. Sure, it's easier said than done, but that doesn't mean it's not possible. Just keep working on it. So going back to protection, crystals for protection. Let's think about what are you protecting? Is it your physical space, like your home, your office, your place of business? Is it your person in general, or is it your energy? These crystals I will show here are the starting kit, meaning sort of an all-purpose crystal, and in order of escalation, these are number 1, my number 1 crystal for protection, black tourmaline. This is like a broad spectrum because it covers the physical and psychic areas. It's an excellent electromagnetic field protector if you're sensitive to that kind of radiation. It protects from negative energy and transforms it. It's the ultimate energy transducer, and it keeps your energy grounded. Now you combine black tourmaline with number 2, selenite, to create a high vibration environment and also to build a grid. And let me explain. When you clear a space with black tourmaline, you can raise the vibration with another crystal with a high vibration like selenite. Everything is frequency. So if the other energies, the energies you're protecting from, are not matching that because they're low vibration, this will be invisible to you. It's your shield. You can use selenite and black tourmaline to build a grid around your house or your space. Whenever there is an area you want to protect, you can draw the lines with selenite and black tourmaline. Like for example, the private areas of your home from the living areas. You want to isolate them, or those areas where guests will spend most time in your house. It's like an energetic keep out sign. The same applies if you're a healer or any other type of energy worker and people come to your home for that purpose. And let me say this, most humans in their physicality are well-mannered and courteous in terms of not bringing dirty shoes into your house, respecting the physical boundaries, showing social grace. But when it comes to the energy, unfortunately, most are not aware of what they're dumping in your place. It's up to you to not allow that in your space. So, while we're still in the subject of building grids and layouts, if you are designing or building a home, you might want to consider placing quartz or smoky quartz pyramids on the ground level and add boosters on each floor. Do not let any space out because you think it's not important, like the garage. If it is part of your house, it's part of your energy. So everything goes. The last one I will give you for this purpose, because I don't want you to get too fixated on protection, is celestial quartz. because this crystal purifies the energy fields. It has a gentle vibration of unconditional love, and it connects you to higher realms. And while you're there, you can see what this crystal has to tell you about what you're afraid of or need protection from. Maybe something about yourself. So for these crystals, I give you an extra tip. Combine them with crystals of the energy and purpose of what you're protecting. For example, if you're looking for protection from psychic attacks, you can combine these crystals with clear quartz in a medicine pouch and carry it with you. You can program quartz to amplify the protective qualities of any other crystal. Remember, quartz is the ultimate amplifier, a master healer, a multi-purpose stone. So whatever you add to it is going to enhance the quality. Now, question, do you need protection from yourself? That's another subject. Again, let me know in the comments below how you're using your crystals for protection, or if you have tried any of this. Whatever your combination, I would love to hear about it. And don't forget to subscribe. And until next time, be well, have fun, and do some magic.